If you want to remove a payment method from your Walmart account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Payment Information. Click on this to view all saved payment options. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or delete. Click on the Delete option. Step 5. Confirm removal. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to complete the process. After following these steps, your selected payment method will be successfully removed from your Walmart account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Walmart customer support for assistance.